Volvo is planning to launch the XC40 SUV in India in July this year. This would be Volvo's smallest SUV in India and would only be offered in R design trim. The car would carry a 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. If the XC40 generates enough interest in India, then a petrol engine could be offered in the future. All-wheel drive would be offered as standard in the versions. On the inside, features would include wireless mobile phone charging, a 750-watt 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, 19-inch wheels, powered tailgate, and heated front and rear seats. Here in India, the XC40 would go up against the likes of Audi Q3, BMW X1 and Mercedes-Benz GLA.